guys, it's me again, Casey, and happy Independence Day! Yes, happy Independence Day to all. And since today is Independence Day, so I thought of doing makeup this related to this day. So yeah, I'm going to do a Philippine flag inspired makeup, and this is my reference. I found this on Facebook. It's really beautiful, and I yes, you guys can relate. It's so beautiful. So yeah, I thought of doing something. I will be recreating or turning this picture into makeup. This is my first time doing this makeup, like something creative, because I'm not a creative person. So yeah, I just hope it would turn out good, and let's get started. So since I already prepped my face, let's proceed to primer. My one and only little primer. Let's go foundation. Just second layer of foundation. I just want to tune in because we look so white and plain. I guess I'm not going. Oh my god, just so white. I guess I'm not going to proceed to concealer since this will be all covered up. Okay, I'm going to proceed concealer because my eyes are close to exploding. My bags are awful. Just here, here, and here, here, here. I usually blend it with my finger because I know, I can blend it well. I can blend it better, the inner better if I use my finger. Let's start with patterning it. So I'm going to use this eyebrow pencil to, pattern my face into flat. As I've said, this is my first time doing this kind of makeup. What if it won't look good? My anxiety is talking. So I got this mirror and let's get started. Pattern my face. Should I start here? Okay. Oh. Whew. If I smile, it would curve, so I won't smile. I'll just. Okay. And this right? I guess it is. Let's start with the yellow one, I guess, here. Okay, let's start with the yellow one. I think this would be easier if I have face paints. I don't have any, so let's just use makeup. We're not rich. It just looks light in camera, but here in in my mirror it looks really, it looks like bright yellow. Should I do next? Okay. I am going to put concealer here to draw the sun. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, this is the very quick part. I'm nervous of doing this. I think I should stop. Anyway, let's draw the boat here and the people. I'm not even good at this. I will use some eyebrow powder. This shade, I guess, the mix of this, I don't know, to create these shadows of these people. Birds here because it would, I guess it would look perfect. Not perfect though, it would look better. Oh my god. I'm just gonna use a red lipstick all over my face. Oh my god. I feel like adding to draw the Mayon volcano here. Okay, I'm going to do it. Do some smoke. How to do the smoke? Okay. Hindi masyadong na-appreciate sa camera. But dito sa salamin ko, it looks really good. Char. I need something like bright orange. What's lava look like? So I just got my glitters. Glitters, and this looks perfect for lava effect. Okay, you guys can't see it, it won't focus. This glitters on, so it would look like a lava. I use this. This is a eyeshadow gel. It has glitters on it. But what I do is I just use a toothpick. Of course, this is clean. Just get an amount of gel, just enough to for the medium-sized glitters. Done. Then I'm going to put the glitters. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, I am now putting my glitter. It's a medium-sized glitter.